standing on the iPad. What does she? Oh, really? Well, James has found this game. It's got a little red letterbox thing in it. I don't know what it is. It's for little toddlers, and he's written green himself. And he hears it making noises, and he squawks back to it and records what he says. Then as soon as he hears himself, he gets all animated and he's bobbing around and dancing. And because that's what I was thinking. They say about how smart these kids are. Madeline would love Big Bird. She would love him. So where's her food shop? Oh, okay, at Waterloo. Ah. Oh, she'd love our Big Bird. We call him Big Bird because he is like a big bird, and we kept saying to him when we first got him all the time, hello, Big Bird. So that's what he says, wasn't it? Hello, Big Bird, that's what he says. Hello, Big Bird. Hello. Sometimes just hello. Now he's just swinging his head and dancing and jumping up and down on the iPad, and he's in full bloom. So, sorry, I missed to get back. Oh, isn't that good? That's what she loves doing that. Oh. So you never heard from Regina all that time? Thank God. And she still sees it occasionally, isn't she? She still sees it. Isn't she? Isn't she good to have somebody like that in her life? See, I couldn't do that. I could not do it. I know. Yeah. I know. But thank God they're old enough to be able to be in it. She'd do the world to us first. And she would have hated that too. How are they getting? How's he getting on? Did you have the fire brigade here? Set the fire brigade here when you get the place. That's it. Yeah, it's a big trip out to Castle Hills, James.